The seller sent this to me to review, and I'm so glad they did because this is an advent calendar for the bearded man in your life. So inside you have this extraordinarily large photo, beautiful photo. I love the drawing. I think they did a great job with that. It's very striking. And then you have your advent calendar inside. You have 24 days, and inside they're absolutely going to love what they find. This is such a unique gift. So if you're looking for something to get your special someone that has a beard and you just don't know what to get them, but you want to get them something unique, this is it. Okay, here we go.
All right, advent calendar, beard trimmer, and beard care kit. Oh my goodness.
Here's one.
23 days, yeah.
24 days.
24 days, that makes more sense, huh? Okay, it's a good way to get things started. Look at that. Big ticket item right out of the gate. Right there, that's really cool.
There it is.
Okay, not the smartest man, just a hairy one. Okay. Look at there we go, whole nother head. All right, number 3. Okay. Okay. Oh, so that goes on it. Oh, that's really cool. It's got a guard.
Bottoms down here.
Okay. Ooh, that's got the gold. Is there gonna be a diamond ring? Huh? I always wanted a diamond ring. We're close. Pair of scissors. A beard sponge. All right, number 7. Charcoal soap. Fingers need to go in a diet. They're too big. All right, here we go. Beard shampoo.
Oh, that's cool.
That is really cool. And you can never have enough of that. Ooh. Okay, what do we got here? Oh. All right, there's that cable. We need to charge it. Oh, all right, it's lucky. Look at that. We got a little bit of electric clipper oil. All right, we got some beard oil here with a little dabber.
Cool.
Yep. Another clipper guard. 16. Beard conditioner. All right, we got a little bit thicker of a clipper guard here. All right, another clipper guard. All right, so this is a nose trimmer. We got a different sized clipper here. Another comb. So this is the stay-at-home comb. The other one's the travel comb. All right, this is what we need right here. It looks like a bag. It's got suction cups. 23, we're getting close. All right, there we go. There is an electric razor top. All right, there we go. It's a very small trimmer right there. Well, I think I'm gonna be pretty ready for Christmas. Santa's gonna be jealous, and I'm gonna be ready to eat some turkey.